I therefore request you to confirm your completion.
By the authority vested in me, I hereby confirm that candidates presented before you have successfully completed all the requirements of their respective program as completed by the Commission Higher Education. You are now officially recognized as completers, eligible to take the licensure examination for professional teachers, and receive your certificate of completion. Embark your future endeavors. Congratulations.
Now may I call on stage the President, Ms. Antea Gaya Caporte, Ms. Maureen C. Marimpin, and Ms. Perla Arumba for the giving of certificate and to hand in this certificate of completion to our honored graduates of 2025. Allow me to read the citation first.
Kuhaan nyo na lang yun ba? Picture nyo lang.
Republic of the Philippines, Commission in Higher Education, Region 3. College of the Most Holy Trinity Catholic Foundation Incorporated, Barangay Sacrifice Valley, Hermosa, Province of Bataan. Certificate of Completion presented to Mary Rose B. Adano for successfully completing the prescribed units of Certificate in Teaching Profession, with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities thereto. Given this first day of June in the year of our Lord 2025 at Barangays at Plaza Lodge Hotel, number 32, Barangay South Drive, Baguio City. Signed by the Registrar, Ms. Camille E. Puti, and the Dean and President of the College of the Most Holy Trinity Catholic Foundation Incorporated, Ma'am Maria Cecilia D. Guevara. The certificate of completion is awarded to Ms. Adano Mary Rose B. Agnes Darlene G.
Kuha mo ng picture dyan na.
Asha Maureen D.
Picturean nyo lang na.
Balsamo Aaron E.
Picturean mo dyan. Ay, wala pa eh. Picturean nyo ma yung ano niya. Ako magbibideo lang ah. Dito na ako ma. Ayan o. Picturean nyo lang.
Ano naman yung screen?
Nga. Kukuhaan nyo mama pag lalabas yung pangalan ko. Oo, kukuhaan nyo. Lalabas yung pangalan nyo dyan.
Daniel Williard S.
Makakuha dito. Umili na lang.
De Guzman Mary Grace J.